What if you could build software twice as fast, with maybe half the bugs? That's not some prediction for the distant future. It's what's happening right now, as AI is fundamentally changing how we build things.
It's this concept called agentic software development. I want you to imagine a dream team of AI specialists. You've got a brilliant coder, a super meticulous tester, a detail-oriented documentarian, the whole crew. You just give them a simple idea, and they work together completely on their own to build, test, and deploy the entire feature. To really get your head around the scale of this change, let's think of it as a totally new kind of factory. Nope. This is a fully autonomous software factory, and it's powered entirely by AI agents. An idea goes in one end, and a polished, ready-to-go product comes out the other with almost no human intervention in between.
These multi-agent frameworks, the platforms where multiple AIs work together on really complex tasks, they can slash full-stack development time by up to 45%. We're talking about building software in nearly half the time. It's wild.
Okay, so let's step onto the factory floor, right at the very beginning of the whole process. This is the spot where a simple idea first gets turned into actual code.
We've all seen AI spit out little code snippets, but how well does it actually handle creating a complete, production-ready first draft?
It turns out that by feeding the AI with specific context, things like your internal documentation, it can generate an initial pull request with up to 95% accuracy.
So we have our near-perfect first draft. Now let's follow it down the assembly line and watch the full team of specialized AI agents really get to work.
Right after that, a tester agent builds and runs all the necessary tests, while the reviewer agent is simultaneously hunting for bugs and quality issues. And get this, if it finds anything, the agents actually collaborate to fix it themselves. All of this happens completely on its own before a human even needs to get involved.
Okay, the feature has been built, tested, and reviewed. We've now reached the final stage of our factory tour, the shipping department.
By using AI to automate what's called the CI/CD pipeline, that's the process that takes code from a developer's computer to the end user, teams can boost their deployment frequency by a whopping 50%. In simple terms, they can ship more features more often and a whole lot more reliably.
So we've toured the factory, we've watched the assembly line, and we've visited the shipping dock. But what about the most critical piece of this entire puzzle? Let's zoom out for a minute and talk about the new, evolving role of the human developer.
If you've got AI agents handling the coding, the testing, and the deploying, what's left for us humans to do? Are developers about to be automated right out of a job?
Not at all. Not even close. The role is simply evolving. It's shifting from being a manual builder to being a high-level strategist. The developer becomes the goal setter, the one who defines the objectives for the AI team.